What's up, YouTube? MX Dude back with another video. So, I got some shit done. Parts were installed. Progress was made. So, I was just about to install that bearing. Bearing's actually in the freezer right now, so it's gonna be shrinking a little. Got the collar right here. Yeah. So, as you guys can see, A arms are on, obs are on, disc brake on, backing plate. Brand new backing plate. They look good, that's for sure. So I got the caliper here. Just got to rebuild them. So where the brake pads are, I got the brake pads right there. So as soon as I can install my freaking bearing, I'll be able to install my stem, my bushings, all my tie rod. Yeah, I was about to mod my airbox too. Need to cut the hole, drill some hole, and stick her in. Should be pretty straightforward. I gotta put the wiring harness on as well, but that's an easy job. So it's coming along well. It's coming along pretty freaking well. Look how clean that is. That's clean. Anyway, I should be able to install the steering stem later on today, tie rod then, and a few other miscellaneous parts. I do need to clean my gas tank. I think that's it. I'll be waiting on my Elkas. And I think my swing arm bolt. Oh yeah, still missing my swing arm bolt so I can do a rolling chassis. Yeah, bolt roller install. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to you as soon as I do a bit of progress, or I'm gonna try to find my tripod and do some work on camera. But I don't guarantee nothing. Been quite a long time I didn't see my damn tripod. Anyway, talk to you guys later on. Alright, like I was saying, my bearing is freezing. Just so it's gonna be a bit easier to install. She's gonna shrink a bit, so she's just gonna slide in right in place. Time to install that steering stem bearing. It's pretty easy to install actually. You do need some WD-40. Oops. Just gonna be easier to slide in. Oh, I did pull that out of the freezer. I put it in the freezer last night, so it was in for about, I don't know, 15-20 hours. A second. Alright, so give me a second. I did find my tripod. I'm gonna try to get my tripod set up and film while working. Okay, so I got you guys on a milk crate in a jerry rig tripod. But anyway, those are the tools you will need. A hammer and a punch. It's pretty easy to install actually. Since it was in the freezer, it actually shrank. And it should go in. It should go right in. Make sure to tap on the outer race, not the inner race. You will destroy the bearing. Be gentle, but make sure to get it in all the way. She's in. So that bearing is pretty much all the way in. Well, it is all the way in. Now I just gotta install that collar slash nut, whatever you want to call it. I actually got a special tool to install it. So I'm gonna get back to you shortly. Okay, so see, no special tool required. So that's an 1.25 inch, but you can use a 30mm. And that's actually an axle nut for a banshee. But my original nut was off a 2002 CR250 rear axle. Same size. So that's all you need. Okay, so I start to tightening the nut. And what I usually do, since that socket is kind of deep for that little nut, I stack a little a dirty glove in it. And I did the same thing for the nut. And it's pretty easy after. Like that. Tighter up a bit. And then tighter with the impact. So give me a second. I'm gonna get my impact set up. Should go easy. Should. Okay, so let's try it. Here we go. As simple as that. It's pretty easy to do, to be honest. My nut, the glove. So when you install it, make sure it's all the way in, because you need that space to install your seal. And then you get a seal under there too. Not sure if you guys can see, but you get the point. So time to pop those seal in. Okay, so bearing is in, nut is in, and both seals are in. Now what I usually do is I pack the seal. What I mean about packing the seal is I put grease on the sealing edge. Do that on the top one and on the bottom one. Oh, sorry. So that's the bottom one here. So pack the bottom one and the top one. It's pretty easy to do, to be honest. All right. So the steering stem is in. Top bushing is in. So I'm about to put those tie rod and tie rod ends. I'm gonna put the handlebars as well. So I still need to push those little tab in. Those little tab here. Push them over the boat. Anyway, it's coming along well. It's coming pretty well, actually. It's too bad I don't have my rear swing arm boat. I could have done a damn roller today. But anyway, that's about it for now, boys. Okay, so handlebars are on. Tie rod ends are installed. I popped those little bumper cap as well. They look good. Put some nice stainless steel fancy bolts. Yeah, so I still need to do an alignment. I just did it by eyes. It's not that bad. It looks straight to me from here. But I will have to ride the bike and sit on it so I can do a proper alignment. Both sides are installed. I still need to put those quarter pin. Not sure how you call them in English, but in French is a quarter pin. So progress was made. That's good. I like it. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I guess I'll be back later on. All right. Rear brake master is on. Spring, oil reservoir. Not sure if that's all you pronounce it in English. I'm French, to be honest. Brake pedal is on. Rear brake line is on. Just too damn bad I don't have my damn swing arm bolt. Swing arm is all ready to go. I'm still missing the carrier bearing in, but I got it. It's in the box. Anyways, I'm gonna get the rear galloper installed and the front brake line. Should go well. I'll get back to you shortly. All right. We got the front brake line all installed, properly routed and zip tie in place. Yeah. Good tie wrap. Anyway, we got my brake line bracket installed too. I thought I had my bracket for the front galloper. They're not in. They're at my zinking place. Zinc coating place, whatever. My bad. And for the back, I got the rear brake master fully installed with the brake line and the galloper. Plus I installed the brake delete plate. I just need to bleed it. Well, I guess that's gonna be it for that video. Should be long enough. I do have the lever right here. I'm probably gonna polish it tonight and finish that up. That's gonna be probably for the next video. So anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go with that. In my opinion, that should be enough for one video. So at least everything turned. Like I'm pretty pissed I didn't get my other zinc coating. If I didn't get, if I would have had my boat, I could have done a rolling chassis and everything, but that was not the case. Actually, I may test fit those front wheels. Give me a second. Front wheel are on. They look decent. I still need to do a good alignment so you guys can see. Camber is a bit of that side. But anyway, there's no suspension. There's nothing on it yet. I still need to do a complete alignment. Pretty dark in here. It looked decent. It looked decent. Anyway, that's it, boys. Enjoy. Peace out.